Hello, today we'll be looking into how to make this transparent glycerine soap base. We'll be making it right here on this platform. Very simple, and I'll be releasing to us two secrets on how to get it very transparent like this with simple ingredients. Just stay back and watch to the end so that you don't miss any of them out. Okay, welcome to my channel. This is Castom 2 Venture. Thanks so much for stopping by. If today is your first time of coming across my video, I say thank you. And to all my returning subscribers, you are welcome. Thanks so much for each time you are coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you so much. Please do like it, share it, and then let us meet at the comment section. I want to read from you. I want to answer questions from you. Though I'm going to make it as simple as possible for easy understanding. Okay, as my usual practice, I want to measure the chemicals. Okay, though some of the chemicals before this production, before this recording, I've made them. I have to do some of the pre-soaking, like this caustic solution. I have 9 grams of caustic soda and 20 grams of water. I have to pre-soak this one so that the video is not too long. So that is our light solution that we'll be using to make our soap. Okay, and then I also had to make the sugar syrup. Okay, you know what is sugar syrup, water and sugar. So I have 70 grams of sugar with 30 grams of water. And please, when you are doing this, use distilled water. Some of those granules of the sugar can be very tough at times. So you take your time and make sure it's well dissolved before you use it. And so the next one I'm going to measure is the coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil. You can see it. I'm measuring that one right away. I have 50 grams of coconut oil. Okay, and then I haven't measured that. The next one I measured is stearic acid. The stearic acid we are using is serving as a hardening agent, so that it can help to harden the soap, so that it doesn't break, it doesn't crack, it can smoothen it together. That is the essence of the stearic acid. Of course, it's very useful in the transparent glycerine base. Okay, it also helps in the transparency. And what you saw me measure again is our ethanol. Okay, this is the stearic acid. You couldn't see before, so this is the stearic acid. Okay, that I measured, and it's just 27 grams. It's an hardening agent, so it will help to harden the soap. And so what is the next thing I'm going to do? Just watch, wait, and listen carefully so that you can get the secret I promise us. Just stay by and watch to the end. Yes, here is my coconut oil. So I'll be pouring the stearic acid into it. The stearic acid mixes well in oil, and that is why I'm pouring it right into the oil. Then I will mix it. Okay, it will help it mixes well. Yes, so you mix it and see to it that it's well mixed before you go further. Please do like the video. Okay, you can see now that it's well mixed. And so what you see me pour is the caustic solution. Fats and caustic solution give us soap. Already this is soap, you know that. Okay, so you mix it thoroughly. Then after mixing it, just wait and see the secret I'm going to tell you about. Just wait, hold on. Okay, so mix it thoroughly. So the next thing I'll be doing is I will subject it to double heater, double boiler. That is, you put hot water in a bowl and then put the container of your soap inside. Can you see? So that it's not directly on the heat, and cover it very well with polythene. You can see what I did. Even after the polythene, I still cover with plates. So now listen to one of the secrets. This is one of the secrets. The second one is towards the end. Make sure your soap forms gel during the heating. Make sure it forms gel. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time. Let it form gel. That is one secret. Okay, the second one I will tell you later. So what you see me pour is ethanol. Ethanol here will help in the transparency of the soap, and it will also help in breaking down all the crystals very well. It will help it to be evenly distributed and evenly mixed. Okay, don't worry. By the end of the by the time you have finished the soap, your ethanol will not smell there again. Okay, it won't smell. It will have done its work. So that's what you see me do. And then the next one I'm going to pour is the sugar syrup. And the sugar syrup also enhances the transparency, the clarity of the soap. So none of them can be left out. The ethanol, the sugar syrup, they help in this transparency and clarity of your soap. So that is what you saw me pour. That is the sugar syrup. Then you mix it thoroughly. And then at this time, what I'm pouring is the glycerine. The glycerine helps to retain moisture in the body, and it also helps to coordinate the soap very well so that it doesn't crack. It's not too dry when making it. So you can mix all of them together, and then after mixing, we still subject it to heat. Okay, so the second secret I'll be telling you by the time our soap is done. So you can see the second boiling, I've brought it down from the fire. So you mix it, and you can see that there are still some particles, some white particles. Mix it as much as possible. If you have waited till now and you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe and reach out to me for the ebook. Yes, the ebook's very, very simple recipe you can do at your own home, your convenient time. Okay, so what you see me doing now, still mixing it. I want to break the particles as much as possible. Okay, the one that is remaining is enough, so I'm going to strain it. If you like, you can leave it. When the soap solidifies, you will remove it, but I prefer to remove it now so that it doesn't disfigure my soap. Just strain it, and then we are good to go. Our soap is ready. The second secret is still yet to be served. So at this time, you can spray your ethanol on it to avoid bubbles. Okay, so that it can come out very, very fine. And after having done that, cover it, and we see it when it's strong, when it's done, when it's solidified. Okay, and here is it. Can you see how transparent it is? Can you see? And so my second secret is that the second boiling, make sure it doesn't boil. Don't make sure it doesn't bubble. If not, it might change color. Thank you so much for staying till now. I will see you in my next video. Keep sharing it, keep liking it, and then don't forget to subscribe. When I come back, I will see you there. Bye.